Now I'm going to show you how to connect the remotes to the OSI Alarm Hub using the Smart Life app. Please make sure you have at least one remote with you and be situated close to the OSI Mini Hub. Now let's open the Smart Life app. Then select the OSI Mini Alarm device. Then select Accessories. Once opened, it will automatically default to the Remote tab, which is where you want to be. Now let's select the plus icon on the top right.
Please trigger the sensor.
You will have approximately 25 seconds to connect the remote. So let's take one of the remotes and press any button to connect it to the Smart Life app.
Sensor pairing succeed.
It now says device add success, so let's press confirm. You can now see the remote is now listed under the Remotes tab. If you want to rename the remote, just select it. Then select sub-device name. I'll enter my name. Once done, press save.
Storage succeed.
Now you can press confirm, and you will now see the new name for the remote. Now let's do a test. Let's press the back button. Now on the remote, let's press the Arm at Home button on the bottom left side.
System armed.
As you can see on the Smart Life app as well as the OSI Mini Hub, the system is now armed. So let's disarm the alarm system by pressing the button with the unlock icon.
System disarmed.
And as you can see, the OSI Mini Alarm System is now disarmed. Just repeat the steps to connect the other remote, and that's it.
Well, we hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give us a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop us a comment below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. All the products that you see on our channel are available with free shipping at osigodirect.com or amazon.com. Those links are provided in the description below. My name is Brandon Paris, and thank you for watching.